In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to import goals from Google Analytics into Google Ads for the year 2025. Understanding how to effectively integrate these two powerful tools can enhance your digital advertising strategy. So, let's dive straight into the process. To get started, the first thing you need to do is head over to Google Ads. It's the platform where you'll manage your online advertising campaigns. If you're not already there, simply open your preferred web browser and type in ads.google.com. Once you've done that, you'll be greeted by the Google Ads homepage. Here you'll want to click on the Sign In button located at the top right corner of the screen. This step is crucial as it allows you to access your Google Ads account. If you don't have an account yet, you'll need to create one by following their easy sign up process. Once you've successfully signed in, you'll be directed to your Google Ads home dashboard. This is the central hub where you can manage all aspects of your advertising campaigns. From here, look for the option labeled Goals in the menu. This is where you'll begin the process to import your goals from Google Analytics. After clicking on Goals, the next step is to navigate to the Conversions section. Once you're there, you'll see several options. Look for and click on Summary. This will present you with an overview of your current conversion actions and metrics. Next, you'll want to create a new conversion action. Look for the button that says Create Conversion Action and click on it. This is an important step because it allows you to set up the new goals that you're aiming to import from Google Analytics. Once you've set up a new conversion action, the next step is to select the Import option. Clicking Import is how you'll bring data from another source, in this case Google Analytics, into Google Ads. You'll then be prompted to choose the type of import. Click on Google Analytics 4 Properties. This option allows you to import goals specifically from the latest version of Google Analytics. If you're using Google Analytics 4, this is the appropriate selection to ensure compatibility and functionality. There you have it. By following these steps, you'll successfully import goals from Google Analytics into Google Ads, providing you with valuable insights and enhanced control over your marketing activities. This integration will help you track conversions more accurately, making it easier to optimize your campaigns and ultimately achieve better results. I hope this tutorial was helpful for you. If you have any questions or need further clarification, feel free to leave a comment down below. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more handy tips and guides. Happy advertising!